kilometer drive. Right on West Ennis Avenue. In 1,000 feet, turn right. Turn right on West Ennis Avenue. Texas Motorplex.
Oh, he thought he had something. It's an 8,000-pound truck, buddy. 8,000 pounds. Just walked you down. You tried, though.
You've arrived at your destination.
It's a nice dually. Take y'all all the way through and probably to our park. And I'm about to here's my mics, get mic'd up. Go ahead and clip this on my shoulders, my shirt up here, and then get my little thing here. Go lock that screen real quick. That's a really nice dually. I thought this was my guy Wood did it in front of me, but I don't think it is. We got another truck Ram putting up behind us. So this is Texas Truck Invasion, if you're wondering what show we're at. Here in Ennis, Texas. Let me go ahead and turn it off until we get where we're going. And yeah, we gotta sit back, have a good time. Oh, that duty is freaking hard. Oh my goodness. I don't know what camera just did something crazy, but is it 2 lanes this whole time? Man. Okay, we gonna go to the left. These boys out in these dualies, heavy. Sheesh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Gosh, Lee boy. Yes sir. Big story. from a gram. Yep. And the dude in front of us. Yeah. Where we at? Alright. I'm gonna show y'all all the way through. Alright. Take y'all all the way through. Show how we go, where we have to park and everything, bro. See the people say this. How you doing? Oh, say hey to camera. Oh my God, okay, I'm gonna look this way. What you got?
Look that way. It's gonna be 75.
Nah, I'm playing. 75? Nah, I'm playing. I'm messing with you. How y'all doing? I'm good, I'm good. I'm trying to look away.
And we do charge a $5 fee.
Yeah, that's fine. All right.
Alrighty.
Uh-oh. Thank you. All right, thank y'all. Y'all have a good one. All right. We got stuff here. And if y'all wondering, yes, these are considered business expenses for me. Because how this works, I post a video on this stuff. I get paid for y'all from YouTube and algorithm for watching TikTok. And so basically this video would make me revenue. So this is written off as a business expense for your boy. So yes, that's how that works. Let's take a quick lap real quick. Y'all want to take a lap? Let's take a lap and see what's going on. I usually go, let's go straight with all the big boys, the big trucks. Just go straight and see what happened. You know, look at that right there. Oh my goodness. Where's my phone? Look at that. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So we here at Fantasy Truck, not Fantasy Truckers, listen to me. We here at Texas Invasion, Truck Invasion. So let's see how it goes. I definitely need the train horns on my joint, you know. We just go find somewhere to park up real quick. I usually park in the same spot. You know, it's a lot of trucks out here. I usually park somewhere right up in here or back over here. I think I'm gonna go down one more. You know, just be chilling, man. I wanna actually probably get over there. Is that my boy? What's called it? That is him. Look at him, yeah. What's good with you, bro? I'm filming right now. I'm gonna come around. It's over there? Yep. Yeah, so, yeah. A few people. He got a tent up and everything this time. I think he came prepared, so I'm gonna loop around, go park over there, probably where he at. You know, so I think people like the 250 though, man. You know, getting a lot of looks, even on this current setup. You know, it's not even. It's good. It's a good looking truck. Don't get me wrong, it's a good looking truck, but you know, not for what we about to do. Oh, that's my guy. Oh, these boys be killing the game, bro. Let me show y'all these boys really quick. I'm just slide around. Hold on, my guy. Don't come out here, bro. Yeah, let me just slide through here real quick, G. Yeah, I'm gonna slide through. You know? Yeah, these boys right here on the left been killing it, dude. Let me get all these boys. Regular video. Yep. Look at him. Look at him. What's good with you, bro? Right? Boys out here, man. What's good? Yo, what's good, baby? Boy, sitting up there, man. Goodness gracious. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, this F-150 right here is clean. That's real clean. Look how wide it is. And these boys on these dualies over here, they all going in line to get washed up. But we already got washed, so we good. We just about to circle around real quick and park up and hope y'all enjoy the show. Boy, Aaron. See, I'm gonna pull over real quick and stop. Hold on, let me park. Oh my God, look at that, bro. Let me just pull over, bro. Look at that, bit right there. Goodness gracious, that's nasty. That's nasty. Alright guys, let me just go ahead and sling it around real quick. Let this car go by. Y'all saw that F-150? That joint was fucking nasty. I gonna go holler at my boy Aaron. Look at that joint. I think he over here somewhere. Let's just go down here and see if I can find him. Man, look at that Chevy GMC right there. Ooh wee, that is beautiful. Dang boy, y'all see that? Oh my goodness, that is so freaking clean. That would be another look for the truck too, man. Look at that Ram. Woo. Yeah, so we gonna park up and then get out and film. Where did he park at? I hope I ain't go by him. Did I go by him? Oh no, there he go right there. Alright, bet. We just gonna pull up on him real quick. Let's see. Hey, what's good, bro? Hey, can I park right here? Can I park right here?
Yeah, you good.
All right, bet. I'm about to hop out real quick. Trent?
Yeah,
He said he was coming? He said he was coming?
He said he been on the road for like 3 weeks.
Okay, I know Wood. You know Wood? Wood did. He said he coming too.
Yeah?
Yeah. What's good?
I probably know.
Yeah. Gotta get that content. Let's see. Alright guys, let's go end the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed that quick POV. I don't know if this video will be before or after this, probably after the real show. So you just want to see a quick POV, how to get up here. There you go. But I'll catch y'all next one. Or catch y'all on the truck invasion. Don't go nowhere. Go watch a video, man. It's something popping up right here for y'all to see. So I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.